Once upon a time, there was a woman named Eve. She lived in a beautiful place called the Garden of Eden with her partner, Adam. Everything seemed perfect and peaceful until Eve's curiosity got the better of her. One day, Eve came across a fruit that she was told not to eat. However, she was deceived and her curiosity led her to take a bite from it. Little did she know that this decision would bring challenges and difficulties into her life. In the same way, women with endometriosis face their own set of challenges. They experience pain and discomfort that can make life difficult. Eve's story helps us understand what it feels like to go through these struggles. Despite the hardships she faced, Eve showed incredible strength and courage. She didn't let her circumstances define her. Instead, she embraced her journey and learned from her experiences. This resilience is something women with endometriosis can also tap into. Eve's story also reminds us of the importance of seeking support. Just as Eve had Adam by her side, women with endometriosis can lean on their loved ones and healthcare professionals for understanding and help. Having a support system can make a big difference. Eve's story teaches us that we have the power to overcome challenges. Even in the face of difficulties, there is always hope. Women with endometriosis can find strength within themselves to navigate their journey, find healing, and discover their own inner power. Let us draw inspiration from Eve's story as we face our own challenges with endometriosis. With knowledge, support, and a determined spirit, we can thrive and find hope in our journey of healing and self-discovery.